In this video, we are going to see how we can enter a purchase of fixed asset by giving cash against a journal entry. So here we have the transaction of 14th of January. Suzuki pickup motor vehicles bought by paying the check 8802 by Bank of America. The total amount is 50,000. Let's see how we can enter this. First of all, from the accounting app, just click on accounting and click on journal entries. Click on new. In the reference, I'll just copy and paste this. The date of transaction is 14th of January. It goes under miscellaneous operations by default, that's fine. And let's search for motor vehicles. If we don't have the motor vehicles account, what we can do is just click on this drop down and click on search more to find the suitable area where we will create a new ledger. We can sort it by type by just clicking on it, and it shows all the fixed assets together. So in the fixed asset category, we only have the machinery and accumulated depreciation of machinery. So let's create a new fixed asset on 161,000. Click on new, and the name of fixed asset is motor vehicle. Goes under 161,000. Type you can set it to fixed assets. Click save, and in the label, I'll just copy and paste this narration. Remove the extra spaces. In the debit, I'll just paste 50,000. Add a new line, and it's paid against the Bank of America. So select that, paste the label again, and the 50,000 amount is credited. So this transaction is now done. Click on post, and that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.